Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Kia Stonic 2. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a really impressive 51 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 9 and this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 10,000 miles and comes with full service history from Kia. This particular colour is called the Storm Grey and looks in great condition for the edge and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues, so you've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are in really good shape. There's an armrest in the centre and also 2 cup holders just below the handbrake. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has air conditioning, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel as well. And then on the left hand indicator stalk, you've then got your automatic headlights, and on the driver's door card, your folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and square, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.